Ladies and gentlemen, amazing national talk show host, acclaimed author, incredible businessman,
snappy dresser,
made man, and I would like to thank the next President of the United States, the next President of the United States, the next President of the United States, the next President of the United States.
No!
Your sign say? You want to know what mine says?
Good. I like your sign, man.
We took down Nixon, we'll take down this motherfucker too.
Come on, man. That's strong, man.
I asked them if they wanted to hear what my sign said.
Now I understand why I call you bullies. Okay? That's
I understand when we outnumber you 10-1 out there.
Yeah, grow up and be a man.
I am a man. You want to see how much of a man I am?
Talking like a teenage rat.
Why aren't your kids in school?
Here we are in Madison. This is my friend here, John.
What's up? I'm mad as shit. I'm pissed off.
Hey guys, I heard Sarah Palin was gonna be here. Is that true?
I think they've been instructed not to talk because their points don't make sense, so they're not.
Oh, okay. Is Sarah Palin gonna be here?
Pass the bill! Pay your share!
Where's Palin at?
Where's Palin? Where's my Palin at?
Where are your kids?
Where's my Palin at? My kids?
Where are your fucking kids?
Well, I hope I can have kids with
Bring your
Palin.
kids back. Bring your kids back. I love this state.
Are you with the Tea Party?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
You are?
I'm filming.
We got money.
Alright, think I'm the only Mexican in this crowd? Where my minorities at?
Johnny Appleseed, man. You planted those apples for a reason. America! I got all the cash I need. I don't care about tuition or nothing like that. I mean, if you gotta raise tuition to lower tuition, that's what's up. Breaking news, Joel the plumber is to take stage. Not sure what is in store for this. Maybe their toilets are down.
Is he still a Palin there?
Yeah, no.
The Queen is coming soon, very shortly, and we're all gonna rise again. Sarah Palin's gonna be parasailing in. Pastor Bill! Pastor Bill! Pastor Bill's next. He's gonna give a speech about religion's involvement in this entire thing. Pastor Bill!
Skywalker's a man is going to do what he says he's going to do.
Are going to have the credit cards.
I'm saying it. You can hear me.
Does he smell like alcohol?
Do you have a medical health care? I just don't know what you got to say.
Do you have
I paid for my medical.
Do you have a medical health care account?
No, I paid for my medical.
You know who has medical health care?
Someone does. I can't tell who.
The wealthy. The wealthy. Because
entertain me. I'm just telling you. We have a permit.
I'm underage. I don't think you can touch me.
I'm not.
Well, you did.
I put my hand on your shoulder. That's
No, it's okay.
We're just students. We're just mad. We wanted to see Sarah Palin.
Yeah, that's why we came.
Sarah Palin is sitting there in the corner. I'm going to go talk to her about her recent inactivity with the protest.
Tell me what democracy looks
Sarah Palin,
like.
I want to ask you, why haven't you been standing up for the Tea Party, man?
Democracy looks like.
they didn't come up with my feet, man.
Well, what the fuck?
One last hurdle lies ahead. The bank is steep and slippery.
not walking. She's not walking.
This way.
Look at all these people, Scott. They don't like you. I don't like you. So, obviously, it's time to walk away. Walker.
Sucks.
What he said. Suds. The things that clean you up when you shower.
Okay.
This is what democracy looks like, man. This is what democracy looks like.
So we're gonna try to sleep out. There's a lot of noise going on, and you know, this is our bed. We feel a little bit homeless, but you know, if it's for the good cause, we're in Madison, we're in the capital, and we're good. And there's some people living over there too.
Tomorrow. Because people have worked hard on these signs and putting them up, and it's very wasteful to throw out the signs.
Okay, yeah. First they just how many signs? They're like, no, wait.
Well, they're still coming up from the various stores.
Everything's good. Let's go back to bed.
Anything that I see that's most of the stuff.
On the other side, something unexpected. An elephant corpse. Elephant graveyards may be a myth, but death holds a strange fascination for them. Some scientists believe elephants can grieve. They fall strangely silent as they fondle the bones. It's difficult to imagine what's going on in their minds. It's difficult to imagine what's going on in their minds. It's difficult to imagine what's going on in their minds. It's difficult to imagine what's going on in their minds. It's difficult to imagine what's going on in their minds. It's difficult to imagine what's going on in their minds. It's difficult to imagine what's going on in their minds. It's difficult to imagine what's going on in their minds. It's difficult to imagine what's going on in